people, man, I'm here made video some days ago. So when some people say haga young women unfollow because of Ebuka Obi. Igbo na ejoku that them no here made video. I want 4,000 followers. 4,000 followers. That them no here made video. 4,000 followers. So you na mad about grace, but when you are fighting grace, you'll be disgraced. Maybe 1 or 2 may young women unfollow because of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. 4,000 people are joining the follow young women. And when I the grace so this man I got it too big. All the too big that some people need this God and you have wisdom. Kahamana with the grace so this man I got. The grace so this man I got some people just see US, London, Australia. I wonder how many hours I finally from Australia to Nigeria. Just see who this man in here. Or resume money and they don't so. Some people who get on your country in Lagos. Some people who get on your country from his community. If this life work or wash it, I want somebody get me for $3,000. She all the way from Australia, Bora plane, or a family, baby who Ebuka Obi. Some people in America make for thousands of dollars. If you this man who here, but I was 1 year been in Nigeria. Then 1 year, only I will follow you because of Ebuka Obi. How many of you unfollow you women? 4,000 people join to follow you women. And when I address so this man the too much, you go see every day. Until you video, until you hear video. Na bia grace so this man. Cause the grace wicked so them. The grace is too much. I'm not praying for money. Not money. The grace is so this man I got the too much. The grace is so work aga. All na God mepa anyagi. Game one na grace is so this man who hear the too much. The money where the money what problem. Away home onye makagi. So even on you women follow makana on you women. Brabe clean Ebuka Obi seek the grace is so them. May where you na home see grace is so Ebuka Obi so bon you women. Give me follow 4,000 people. So ban the same night him follow. He need the na grace so this man did too much. Sunday people when you made this video, nka even if you go joke Gambaka Zoom, Abraham here. Come na park come 1 man because Rakota. No, the man because Raka no only what I want him say chai. This man was home. Grace so this man I got it too much. So the enemy be the hobo unu n'anya. I want you Omenala, I want your church. I can't bring a woman why and you who no kapa, you know 100 and again. This man at Bram Nelo watching a grace is Ebuka Obi. Yet on one pair. Only my grace is so worker. Madu get show Australia, Bobble, Bia Nigeria, Share America, Bia Nigeria, Nani Ebuka Metuyaka. A man at the grace is to logo. So why am I made this video? I won't know so in Wimo. I won't enter Chobi. Ebe mmadụ begino. Owu ni we enter job ikpo mmadụ begino enwe ohe o mere gasị for no reason. Ịma na onwe gị ka ị na-egbu. Ikpo Ebuka Obi asị. Kedu ihe Ebuka Obi mere ọ nara gị nwunye gị? Ebuka Obi odoro nwunye gị. The answer is no. Why do you hate him? Maka gịnị? Maka na ọ na-ebu amụma. Unu so na ọ wa arrange. Then start doing your own arrange amụma na. Ma hapụ this man aka. Maka emere video here, a lot of guys in plan my impulse. Ehun ga na akpọ me. Only women, you a very stupid boy. Only women. I don't even see you. I don't mind hugging because you know you women only. You so get the way you a stupid boy because of what? Because of Ebuka Obi. Can you hear this man in Melun? Why am I made this video? Only 2 or 3 people get me follow Maka this man. 4,000 people saw me the same night. A man aggressive so this man. The too much. No, the early matter. The early oga brag. Actually, me calendar national yon wimbo. Ndi national video masim no ga drone na mma. Ndi na something good in this man. No maso work against soon. Ngunu huru mana memre mad advert. I no send anybody. God have been good to only wimbo right from time. But ewu yon wa dem mma si na he ma dem mma. Grace so work the excess. So the early agwa only Igbo matter. Daily mind your business. If you don't like him, there your land. Abana na be discourage people maka na we nwunye go na ara gi. Ibado hia na elu hotel ngo na akwa iko. Ubochi gbakwaru unu ma gwam location is watch onye nwim. But every day Jehovah grace so worker. ya esobe m, Grace so nwoke ya esobe ndị community m, sobe all my followers, and otu a ka ọ ga-adị. Azụ m ụbọchị makwara unu mma ndị Igbo ibe m, onye ahụ ihe ọma si ihe ọma dị ya mma na o meri ya aka. Nna m